Okay, so our practical code is, you can see in the chat box, GE8261 Engineering Practices Lab. Okay, so our practical code is GE8261 Engineering Practices Lab. Okay, this engineering practices lab consists of two sections. One is group A and another one is group B. So group A will consist of mechanical and civil engineering related experiments, and group B consists of electrical and electronics related experiments. So you need to do these two groups in a 3 hours. Can you able to see the screen? Please reply. Can you able to see the screen? No. Okay. So the first and foremost instruction is, you need to join through Google Meet, and you should not turn off your camera for the entire 3 hours. Otherwise, you will be marked as absent. I repeat once again, you need to join through Google Meet, and you should not turn off your camera for the entire 3 hours of your university practicals. And the second point is, you should not leave the Google Meet for the entire 3 hours. So this is very strict instruction from the Anna University, not from our side. This instruction is given by Anna University. Okay, so hold on a second. Okay, so how do you are going to join this university practical? So first, you need to join through Google Classroom. I will show. So this is your Google Classroom, and this one, I think you can able to see what I am denoting. Can you able to see? So this is your engineering practices lab classroom, AIDS. So you all from AIDS department. So I am mentioning you this class. So this is your engineering practices lab classroom. Sorry, I think it is visible. Is it visible or not? Someone please. Is it visible or not? Okay. 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 So in this, go to classwork, and here you might have seen some questions posted by your faculty, and his name is Professor Vasudevan sir. Okay, He have already posted the question papers. You can see here. So here there will be two sets. One is mechanical and another one is civil. Okay. Particularly, according to your register number, you will be assigned to a question that will be informed by Professor Vasudevan sir during the examinations. Now you can see this question paper and you can prepare by yourself. Okay. So the question paper is ready and you can see, you can go through on it and you can prepare yourself. So tomorrow you will be having exam and you have to write the procedure, aim, apparatus required, procedure and result along with the diagram. Okay, along with the diagram. So I think you might have received the engineering. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Okay, okay, hold on, hold on. Can you hear me? Hello? Is it audible? Okay. So you can get the question paper from here and you can start writing your examinations during the particular 3 hours. Okay. For the forenoon session, the session will be start at 9 a.m. For the afternoon session, the session will start at 1 p.m. So I am going to show the timings. Can you able to see my slide? So please attend your exam according to this schedule. Please do not deviate from this schedule. For the forenoon session, it will be divided into two groups. 9 to 10:30 is one group, and 10:30 to 12 is another group. So, for example, the register number 1 to 15 will do electronics experiments at 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay. At the same time, register number 16 to 30 will do mechanical experiments. Is it clear? Someone please reply. Is it clear? No. Can you able to see the register number first? Register number 1 to 15 will do ECE related experiments from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Once this group completed this ECE experiment, this group will be sent to mechanical lab at 10:30 a.m. From 10:30 12 to 12, this 1 to 15 will do mechanical experiments. So for 3 hours, this group will complete group A, that is ECE and mechanical, both the experiments. Okay, at 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., register number 16 to 30 will do mechanical experiments. Okay, when this guys do ECE experiments, this batch will do mechanical experiments. Once it completed, they will be sent to ECE lab. So please have a look on this schedule. I have posted this schedule in your WhatsApp group. Please understand at what time you have to do what kind of experiments and then attend your lab accordingly. Do not deviate in this schedule. You cannot do other experiments at this time. Okay. Likewise in the afternoon also. Okay. What you have to do in the examination? So you are going to Google Classroom. You are downloading your question paper. You have to ask what experiments you need to write to your faculty, that is Vasudevan sir. After asking, you have to write your examination paper in A4 sheet and scan the answer sheet as PDF document, and then Vasudevan sir will post a Google form in the Google Meet chat box. Please note it down. You will receive a Google form in your Google Meet chat box, not in your WhatsApp. You will receive in your Google Meet chat box. Once you receive that Google form, I will show how it looks like. So this is the kind of Google form here. I will post it in the chat box of your Google Meet. Okay, I think the Google form is posted in the chat box. So can you able to see the Google form in the screen? First, enter your email ID. After that, choose or enter your register number. The register number may be a manually typed one, depends upon your faculty creation. So, for a sample, I am entering my details here. I am just selecting a random name. So, enter your name of yours, and then your register number. Here you will have first year, so select your year and then enter your date of your examination. For example, you are going to attend tomorrow, so I am entering 5 August 2021. After that, give next. It will go to next page. So here you will have MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. You have to answer for these questions. I am just randomly selecting the answer. All the questions is related to mechanical engineering. So don't get fear. Tomorrow you will have questions on engineering practices lab related questions. Don't worry. So I am randomly selecting the answers here. So now I have completed all the 15 questions and I am going to give next. So the part A is completed. So I have missed here. Okay. Now I have completed the part A. Now I am going to part B. What I have to do here is I have completed this handwritten examination, isn't it? Hello? Is it audible? Can you able to follow what I am telling? So I have completed the handwritten exam here and I have scanned the answer sheet as a PDF. I am going to upload that particular PDF here. Okay, with front page. Please do not upload your document without front page. The front page details will be informed in your Google Meet. Okay, so I'm going to upload this particular file as a PDF by selecting add file. So I'm just randomly choosing the file. So from your mobile, you can upload your answer document. Okay, your answer document with front page like this and give the option upload. So it's uploaded and I'm going to give submit. So you have completed your exam. Once you completed your exam, please do not leave the Google Meet. Okay? Please do not leave your Google Meet. Your faculty, that is Vasudevan sir, will inform you in this Google Meet. A external faculty, that is an other college faculty, will be present. He will ask Viva question. Please understand, once you complete your exam, you should not leave the Google Meet. You have to wait for your internal examiner's instruction. Okay. So the external faculty member, that is other college faculty member, will ask you Viva question. Once you completed, your internal faculty will ask you to leave the Google Meet. Then only you have to leave the examination link. Is it understood? Is it understood or not? Now you can now you can ask your questions. If you have any clarifications, you can ask your questions now. The main thing is you should not turn off your camera. You should not leave the Google Meet. All entire 3 hours you need to be stay in the Google Meet. First 1.5 hours you have to do one group examination, and next 1.5 hours you have to do another examination. Please note here, this is the schedule you need to follow. Please do not deviate this schedule. I have posted this list as a picture in your WhatsApp group. If you have any clarification or any doubt, you can ask now. Once again, explain how to upload. Okay. Hold on a second. So here I am going to fill the Google form once again. First enter your email ID, choose your name or enter your name. I am again telling once again, you can see here a blank space, whether you can write it, your register number and your name. Sometimes it may be a drop down option. Otherwise, you have to type your name and register number. So this is the MCQs. I'm going to attend the answers. So I have completed the 15 MCQs. Now I'm going to view next. So this is the uploading section. Here you have to upload your answer sheet with front page. Again and again I am telling, you have to upload the answer sheet with front page. Without your front page, your answer sheet will not be evaluated. Okay. So here you can see upload your answer sheet in PDF format. Here you can see the add file is in blue color. Okay. Click on this button. You can see here add file. Click on this blue color font. It will leads to your memory space. Select files from your device. You can see here select files from your device. Click on that button. It will take you to your memory. You can choose the file where it is. I have chosen here and click on open. The file will send to the this option and click on upload. Once you click on upload, the file comes to the Google form. now you can see my answer sheet reaches this Google form here. So here my file name is design thinking, but you have to change your answer sheet name as your register number. Your register number has to be your answer sheet file name. Okay, so my answer sheet is here. I'm going to give submit. Is it clear now? AIDS register number 11. Is it clear now? Reply in the chat box. Okay. Any other clarifications? If possible, I will record this session and I will post you within today evening. You can recall it and you can attend the exam tomorrow. You also inform your friends, those who are not joined in this Google Meet, clarify their doubts. I will post this video in YouTube and you can see and you can share with your friends as well. Is it clear? Someone unmute your mic and tell me, is it clear? Because tomorrow your faculty will. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow your internal examiner will be Vasudevan sir, and he will be the faculty of engineering practices lab tomorrow entire session. So he will be assisting you, and please do not do any unrelated activities during your examination. Please be in a highly network area and use your camera to focus your face. Whole session you need to be in your camera should be in turn on mode. Someone is asking, yeah, tell me, pa. How is possible means? So it is the rules and regulations given by Anna University. I am repeating once again. This rules and guidelines is framed by Anna University, not by Arjun College of Technology. Okay, you have to be prepared for all these things. That's why I am making this as Google Meet and giving instructions to you. It is up to you to make and to prepare yourself for your university practical examinations. I am just telling my suggestions alone. Okay, recharge for any kind of network, that is datas. Nearly you need 3 to 4 GB for 1 3 hour examination. Okay, minimum 3 GB is needed. Otherwise, you take your laptop or computer, whatever it is, with camera. With camera, not. Please do not use camera-less PCs and laptops. This is my suggestion. I cannot say the entire details to you. This is Anna University guidelines. You need to follow. So the faculties, that is internal examiner and external examiner, will be watching during your examination. They all will see your activities lively. That's why I'm insisting you again and again. Is it clear? In PC possible, sir. In laptop, okay, sir. How to scan, sir? So in mobile, download cam scanner or tab scanner. There are a lot of applications are available in Play Store. You need to download those things and scan your answer booklets and upload it in the Google form. Okay? Network attached. Yeah. Network attached. Is it clear? Tell me, is it clear or not? Clear. Yes, Adobe Scan is available. So I think everything is clear now. If you have any doubts, you can send me a text message. I will reply you. I will post this video recording in YouTube and I will send you the link. You will check once again. Okay? Okay. Thank you for attending this session. Wish you all the best. Thank you. You can leave now. Thank you. அப்பா வயிறு வலிக்குது சார்.
நீங்க ஹெட்ஃபோனு செல்போன்ல மாட்டிருக்கீங்க.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
இதுல செய்யறதுக்கு அது தெரியுது. எதுல நீங்க இப்ப
சார் ஆக்சுவலா இதுல தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேங்க சார். பசங்க வந்து இந்த ஆடியோ வந்து கிளியரா இல்லை அப்படின்னாங்க. என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், என்னோட இன்னொரு ஜிமெயில் ஐடி யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த மீட்டிங்ல நான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மாதிரி ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு இங்க நான் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இதுல ஆன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன்.
நீங்க இதுல பண்ற செய்கைக்கு நீங்க பேசுறது அதோடைய
ஆமா.
இது ரெண்டு வச்சு பண்றீங்க.
இதெல்லாம் எஸ்என்எஸ்ல கத்துக்கிட்டு ஐயோ